Hello, how are we all doing today? Shelby here. I am guided to send you guys today a meditation that will really help with whatever it is that you're going through today and for the days to come. So, as we are continuing along this process of the human evolution, of the collective consciousness, of the divine masculine and the divine feminine energies coming into balance, our bodies are still trying to adapt. Our whole energy system is still in a bit of trying to organize everything and figure out how to operate now that we've up-leveled to this new paradigm. So people are still going through physical symptoms, and I've heard a lot of my friends who are just kind of now it's hitting them now, where it hit me like a week ago, 2 weeks ago. Now I'm getting a new wave of people who are experiencing all sorts of depression and headaches and things like that. So it just depends on if you took the time during the Lionsgate portal, if you were able to take the time to take care of yourself and to really go inward and dig deep and to feel these feelings, then you're probably feeling a little bit lighter now. If you didn't have time to do that, if you were just like, I'm busy, I've got work, I'm not dealing with this, now it's hitting you. So just know that wherever you're at on your process, this meditation that I'm going to teach you guys today will help. It's called the 12th D meditation, and it's a 12th dimensional meditation. It has to do with the chakras. Sorry, these things keep popping up. And it has to do with basically activating our light bodies. Now, our light bodies, we have our physical bodies. We all know our physical bodies pretty well. Science is now really starting to uncover a lot that has to do with our energy bodies, or our light body, or our auric body. So everybody has this. It runs anywhere from 4 inches to like 9 feet away from the body. And every thought, feeling, emotion, idea, program that goes on here and in the subconscious mind gets held in this field, in this energy field. So we create our energy field. So really monitoring your thoughts. Whatever it is that you're thinking about creates an emotion, and that emotion is held in that energy field unless you are clearing it daily. Okay? We're also getting programming now from other entities. So there are entities out there right now that are observing us. We connect with them through meditation. Sometimes they're connecting with us when we don't want to. And it's a good idea to claim your sovereignty as a free-willed individual being on a daily basis, so that we're not getting any of these other programs from any of these other outside entities that are kind of monitoring us and harvesting this fear-based energy thought process stuff. We keep those at bay when we do this meditation, especially if you are an energy worker, if you're a light worker, if you work with people, if you work in a salon, if you work in a grocery store, if you're at a restaurant, whatever you do, this meditation is going to help your energy field. So I'm going to begin this meditation now. I ask that if you can close your eyes here so you're not really distracted by my visual. I just would like you to hear my voice. Get into a comfortable seat, whether you're sitting in a chair or you're lying down. I find sometimes sitting up, if you can sit up, it's the alignment of the energy is best that way. But if you're tired and you want to lay down, you can do that too. Okay, so turn off your phones, close the doors, get your roommates and your kids out of the room, and find a nice quiet space for you. Okay, this is a quick meditation. So you're going to start by inhaling through your nose and exhaling out through your mouth, kind of like you were blowing out a candle. So it's inhaling and exhaling. Just allow yourself to drop down into your body. Any tension from the neck and the shoulders and the face. Inhaling it through the nose, exhaling it out through the mouth. And on your next exhalation, I want you to imagine that there was a cord of light or energy going from your tailbone all the way down through the floor, all the way down to the center of the earth. Whatever the center of the earth looks like for you. And I want you to connect with Mother Earth now. Set your intention to connect with her now. Take a couple more deep breaths, just exhaling any residue from the body down into that cord, down to the center of the earth. Okay. So I want you to kind of pull up some of that energy, that earth energy, into the body. Feel it going up your body all the way up to the crown of the head. And then feel the crown of your head opening and extending all the way up past the ceiling, past the sky, all the way up to the very top of the universe. And pull down some of that light energy into the crown of your head. Good. So I want you to imagine right in the center of your brain. So if you close your eyes, you can imagine where the center of your brain is. And I want you to imagine a star, okay? A six-pointed star, basically a triangle that faces up and a triangle that faces down. They merge together. This is the divine masculine and the divine feminine energies. This is the six-pointed star. This is unity consciousness. I want you to imagine that star as white light, and it's in the center of your brain. And you're going to imagine taking that star down through the center of your body, all the way down to the tailbone, down that cord, all the way down to the center of the earth. Feel some of that energy rebounding up and bring that six-pointed star all the way up and stop it about 6 inches below your body. So if you're sitting down, it's going to be 6 inches below your seat. If you're standing up, it's 6 inches below your feet. If you're lying down, just imagine it below your body. And I want you to imagine that six-pointed star starting to spin. And it creates a platinum, the color platinum, so white kind of platinum platform spinning beneath your body, okay? And it creates a white platinum column of light that comes up and surrounds your entire body. That column comes up the front, the sides, the back, so you're in this column of light. And then that six-pointed star that's just beneath your body, you're going to pull that up through the central channel of your body, all the way up, out the crown of the head, and let it go all the way up to the top of the universe. You're going to bring that star right back down, and it's going to hover about 2 or 3 feet above your head. And it's going to start to spin again. So it's going to create a platform, kind of like a container or a lid to a container above your head. So that platinum white light. And then that platinum white platform brings that platinum light down. So you've got a column of light surrounding you coming down from that platinum circular platform above your head. So you're basically encompassed in this white light. So that six-pointed star, your six-pointed star that's just hovering above your head, now you're going to pull that down through the crown of your head and bring it right down into the center of your heart. And I want you to intend to connect that star, your star, in the center of your heart to the galactic core of the universe. Okay? So just ask your higher self where that is. It could be out in front of you, it could be to the left, to the right, it could be back up. Just wherever it is, just connect from your heart to the galactic center of the universe. And take a moment to breathe in that energy, breathe in that light, that feeling. This is a protective meditation. This is a light body activation meditation. This will help you keep your vibration high. This will help keep that auric, that light body field clear and clean. And you can do this morning, noon, and night. Just takes a few minutes. Okay, thank you all for joining me today. We'll see you next time.